Greetings to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to share that carrying forward our glorious legacy of 33 years as a premier B School of India, IMS Ghaziabad is organizing the prestigious international conference on reimagining business dynamics, digital transformations in disruptive world. The conference is on April 29th, 2023. The theme of the international conference has been conceived very thoughtfully in order to facilitate constructive discussion around the multiple facets, technological breakthroughs, changing societal, economic and market landscape in the contemporary times of Industry 5.0 revolution. This conference is envisioned to provide a platform to deliberate, deep dive, disseminate information and explore the prospects, challenges and impact of Industry 5.0 on business dynamics. I express my deepest gratitude to our Chairman Shri Naresh Agarwal ji and Managing Trustee Shri Nitin Agarwal ji for their constant support and guidance. We are really pleased to share that around 200 research papers will be presented during this conference, which will be attended by around 500 delegates from all across the world. Looking forward to your esteemed presence and deep insights in this conference. Welcome on board, all of you. Thank you.